Right now, 3.5 billion people have zero emergency plans. Grid failures, civil unrest, natural disasters, and yes, the very real threat of World War III are no longer just movie plots. Being unprepared could cost you your life. Today, we're counting down 26 pieces of survival gear that could genuinely save you when everything falls apart. Stay until the end. Number 1 is an absolute beast. Number 26. ZIPPO TYPHOON Match Kit. We're starting with fire, because a regular matchbox gets wet once and you're done. The ZIPPO TYPHOON Match Kit fixes that completely. It holds 15 Typhoon-rated matches inside a water-resistant ABS plastic case that actually floats. Drop it in a river, fish it out, your matches are bone dry. The cap doubles as an integrated strike pad with spares included. Ergonomic grip, molded lanyard hole, and fully reusable, budget-friendly and pocketable. If you don't have one, fix that today. Number 25. MSR MINIWORKS X Water Filter. 3 days without water and your body starts shutting down. In any serious crisis, municipal water is one of the first things compromised. The MSR MINIWORKS EX pumps 1 liter per minute and removes bacteria at 99.9999% efficiency, killing protozoa, organic compounds, and particulates too. One filter cartridge handles up to 2,000 liters. It meets NSF Protocol P231, weighs just 1 pound, and is made in the USA. Professional guides and military personnel trust this in the field. Don't overthink it, just get one. Number 24. FENIX LD35R Flashlight. When the grid goes down, and it will, you need more than a phone flashlight. The FENIX LD35R delivers 1,800 lumens with a beam distance of 368 yards. But what makes it special is the 360-degree illumination, side lights in white, blue, and red across 9 total modes. That red light alone is crucial for preserving night vision. USB-C rechargeable with 101 plus hours of runtime on low, IP68 waterproof, and 1 meter drop resistant. Comes with a holster, lanyard, and lumen tack organizer. Built for real emergencies, not just weekend trips. Number 23. The 72 Pro Survival System. If you're starting from scratch with zero gear, this is built for you. The 72 Pro is a complete 72-hour survival system for 2 people. Developed with actual first responders, over 60 essential tools, water filtration, food, first aid, shelter, packed into a waterproof roll-top backpack with welded construction. Every pocket is color-coded with screen-printed icons so anyone can find what they need fast, even under pressure. Hand this to your family and say, grab this and go. It's expensive, but it might be the smartest investment on this entire list. Number 22. ONETIGRIS Bushcraft Shelter 2.0. Bugging out on foot means you can't carry a heavy tent. The ONETIGRIS Backwoods Bungalow 2.0 solves that. Built from 75D ripstop nylon with a 1500mm waterproof rating, YKK zippers, and reinforced grommets throughout. Leave the canopy open for a wood stove porch, or zip it fully shut in heavy rain. It becomes a fortress. No poles included by design. Use trekking poles or tree branches. Weighs just 3.2 pounds, has a built-in lantern attach point, mesh ventilation, and comes in coyote brown for natural camouflage. Proper bushcraft shelter for serious outdoors people. Number 21. SOG FLINT Survival and Defense Tool. What if one pocket-sized tool gave you a fire starter, a glass breaker, and an emergency whistle? The SOG FLINT does exactly that. At 4.3 inches and less than an ounce, it packs a ferrocerium rod, a hidden steel wool tinder compartment, a carbide-tipped glass breaker for shattering car windows, and a high-decibel safety whistle, all in one unit. Clip it to a keychain or zipper and forget it's there until the day you desperately need it. One of the most affordable items on this list and one of the most important. Number 20. Adventure Medical Kit SPORTSMAN 200. Band-Aids won't save your life. In a real emergency, you need trauma-grade medical supplies. The SPORTSMAN 200 is built for up to 4 people on multi-day wilderness trips. It includes trauma pads, elastic bandages, EMT shears, irrigation syringes, butterfly closures, moleskin, and tick forceps, all organized in injury-specific pockets for fast access under pressure. It also comes with the Wilderness and Travel Medicine book by Dr. Eric Weiss, 50-plus improvised techniques and 100 illustrations. That book alone is worth the price of entry. This is your medical foundation. Quick pause, we're not even halfway through and the gear is already getting serious. Drop a comment right now, which items so far would you grab first if you had 10 minutes to prep? I read every single one. Let's keep going. Number 19. WWIII KANSBOL knife. Every serious survival kit needs a fixed blade knife, and you don't need to spend $300 to get an exceptional one. The MORAKNIV KANSBOL has a 4.3-inch Swedish stainless steel blade with a Scandi grind, ideal for carving, food prep, and fire making. The spine is a full 90 degrees so you can strike a ferro rod right off the back. Polymer handle with friction grip, built-in click-lock sheath, and fully ambidextrous. It stays sharp, costs a fraction of competing knives, and Mora has been making blades in Sweden for over a century. An absolute no-brainer. Number 18. Wolf and Grizzly fire set. Matches run out. Lighters fail. This is your backup to the backup. The Wolf and Grizzly fire set is a premium ferro rod rated for 20,000 strikes, consistently hitting 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to ignite virtually anything in any weather. The striker is made from actual knife steel and will outlast the rod itself. The kit also includes 5Th Type 3 paracord with jute tinder woven inside. So if you're completely out of tinder, just cut open the cord and you have an instant fire-starting material. Big sparks, long life, built-in backup. This fire kit simply does not fail. Number 17. OLIGHT Seeker 4 Pro. The FENIX covered versatile everyday carry. The OLIGHT Seeker 4 Pro is for high-intensity search and rescue situations. It hits 4,600 lumens with a throw of 260 meters, an absolute weapon of light. The multifunctional holster supports charging, pull-out quick draw, and multiple carry options. Dim it with 360-degree rotation or long press, even with heavy gloves in total darkness. 2 charging options, USB-C through the holster or magnetic charging, while maintaining its IPX8 waterproof rating throughout. If you're scanning large areas or running a security perimeter, nothing at this price comes close. Number 16. 4 Patriots 4-week emergency food supply. Most preppers plan for 72 hours, but real crises last weeks. The 4 Patriots 4-week emergency food kit contains 192 servings across 11 recipes, oatmeal, mac and cheese, soups, and more. Triple-layer Mylar packaging with high-capacity oxygen absorbers gives it a 25-year shelf life. Every meal takes 15 minutes, just add boiling water. Roughly 1,300 calories per day per person, designed as a solid emergency baseline. This isn't glamorous, but 4 weeks of food security means you make calm decisions instead of desperate ones. Stock it, forget it, know it's there. Number 15. LEATHERMAN RAPTOR Rescue. Designed with emergency responders, not just for them. The LEATHERMAN RAPTOR Rescue is a 6-in-1 trauma shear tool with a carbide glass breaker capable of shattering windshields, a strap-and ring cutter, and heavy-duty shears, all small enough to holster on your belt. Here's the genius. The shears lock automatically when holstered, letting you carry them upside down for the fastest one-handed deployment possible. Made in Portland, Oregon, backed by a 25-year warranty. Whether you're a first responder or just someone who wants to be genuinely ready to help in a vehicle accident, this belongs in your kit. Number 14. Ultimate Survival Tips MSK1 Mini Edge Knife. You can never have too many good cutting tools, especially ones you'll actually carry every single day. The MSK1 Mini Edge is a full-tang fixed-blade EDC knife in military-grade D2 steel, hardened to 5961 HRC for serious edge retention. The saber ground blade is 2.7 inches, honed to 19 to 20 degrees. Total length just 6.2 inches, weight as low as 2.2 ounces. Handles are field removable in exotic wood, G10, or canvas micarta. This is the knife that lives on your belt, small enough to forget, capable enough to matter when it counts. Number 13. RUNNINGSNAIL Emergency Weather Radio. In a catastrophe, not knowing what's happening, where to go, what's coming, is as dangerous as any physical threat. The RUNNINGSNAIL MD090P covers all 7 NOAA weather channels plus AM and FM. Its 14,800 milliwatt-hour battery can charge your smartphone more than once, with 4 ways to power it: built-in battery, hand crank, solar panel, and micro USB. 3-mode flashlight, motion sensor reading lamp, and a built-in SOS function. When the grid is gone and your phone is dead, this radio is your only connection to the outside world. Own one before you need it. Number 12. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. A dead battery during an evacuation turns your vehicle into a trap. The WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter delivers 4,000 amps of peak current, enough to start gasoline and diesel engines up to 10 liters, charges fully in 1.3 hours via 65-watt USB-C, and that same port charges your laptop or phone. The LCD screen shows you everything at a glance. IP64 rated, tested from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Built-in LED with SOS and strobe modes, vehicle insurance, device charger, and emergency flashlight, all in one compact unit that lives in your car permanently. Number 11. AQUAQUEST HIDEAWAY BIVY Stealth. The ONETIGRIS is your base camp shelter. This is what you carry when you're moving fast and every second counts. The AQUAQUEST HIDEAWAY BIVY Stealth weighs 2.4 pounds, sets up in about 2 minutes, and delivers 10,000 mm waterproof protection with a moisture vapor transmission rate tripled to 10,000 grams per square meter per day, so it actually breathes. Fits anyone up to 6'6", includes a no-CM mesh panel, a clear TPU window, collapsible shock cord pole, and 5 aluminum stakes, backed by a lifetime warranty from a company making waterproof gear since 1994. Pack it when every ounce and every second matters. Number 10. RHINO Rescue IFAK Medical Kit. The SPORTSMAN 200 is your base camp medicine chest. The RHINO Rescue IFAK is what rides on your body when you move. Over 100 first aid supplies and 20+ survival essentials packed into a durable 600D Oxford nylon mala pouch with double-stitched handles, upgraded zippers, and a removable quick-release panel. Attached to your pack, vest, or belt in seconds. Designed by first aid professionals for genuine field emergencies, not office cuts and scrapes. Compact, tactical, and FSA/ASA eligible. This is the kit you keep on your person when things go sideways fast. Number 9. Titan Emergency Signaling Whistles. This one gets underestimated every time, but ask any search and rescue professional. A whistle is heard from over half a mile away, needs 0 batteries, works underwater, and works when you've lost your voice entirely. The Titan Survival Emergency Whistle hits 120 decibels, Coast Guard approved. Dual chamber design cuts through wind and ambient noise, P-less, so it works in freezing conditions where standard whistles fail. Waterproof, 2 per pack with bright orange SURVIVORCORD lanyards and spring-loaded clips. Give 1 to every person in your group. It's the most important $10 on this entire list. Number 8. VARUSTELEKA TERÄVÄ SKRAMA 2040. The MORAKNIV handles precision. This handles everything else. The TERÄVÄ SKRAMA 2040, handmade in Kauhava, Finland, is a 9.4-inch full-tang bushcraft blade in 80 CRV2 carbon steel. 2 distinct edges, a 34-degree main edge for chopping, and a 25-degree base edge for finer work. The over-molded rubber grip is designed for a 1.5 handhold, rear for heavy betoning, upper third for detail cuts, flat spine for splitting wood. At 18.5 ounces, it's not ultra-light, but if you need to build shelter, process firewood, and prep food with one blade, this Finnish legend is the one you want. Number 7. SOG XL Entrenching Tool. Ask any military veteran what the most underrated piece of kit is. They'll say the E-tool every time. The SOG XL Entrenching Tool is high carbon steel, black powder coated, 23.25 inches long, and under 3 pounds. It digs fire pits, latrines, and foxholes. It chops roots and branches. It unsticks vehicles from mud. And in a real defensive situation, it has a long documented history of being used for exactly that. Full size, full strength, built for real work in real conditions, not for weekend glamping, for genuine field operations. Number 6. Titan SURVIVORCORD PARACORD 550. All paracord is not equal. Titan SURVIVORCORD is US patented, designed with Special Forces in Afghanistan, and exceeds military spec 550 with a 620-pound tensile strength. But the real value is inside. 3 hidden survival strands, a 25-pound monofilament fishing line, a 30 AWG metallic utility wire, and a paraffin-imbued jute fiber that starts fires even in the rain. So your cord builds shelter, catches food, repairs gear, and starts fire. Titan is veteran-owned and donates to veteran charities with every sale. The smartest 100 feet of rope you'll ever carry. We are in the top 5. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. It's free, it takes 1 second, and it helps us keep making content exactly like this. Alright, Top 5, let's finish strong. Number 5, Go Time Gear Life Tent. A shelter for 2 people that weighs 8.7 ounces and fits in your palm. The Go Time Gear Life Tent is military-grade mylar designed to retain up to 90% of your body heat. String it between 2 trees with the included 550-pound ParaSync drawstring, and you've got a fully enclosed weatherproof shelter in minutes. A 120 decibel emergency whistle is included in the kit. This isn't a primary shelter, it's your insurance policy. When your real shelter fails or you get caught completely off guard, this thing could save your life tonight. 0 reasons not to have one in every bag you own. Number 4. UCO Titan Stormproof Match Kit. The ZIPPO opened this list for budget fire starting. Number 4 is the gold standard. The UCO Titan Stormproof Match Kit holds the longest burning waterproof matches available. Each burns for a full 25 seconds and relights after complete submersion in water. The floating waterproof case comes with 3 replaceable integrated strikers and 2 refill packs of 25 matches each, 62 stormproof matches total. Winner of Backpacker Magazine's Editor's Choice Award and Gear Junkie's Best in Show in the same year. When you absolutely cannot fail to start a fire, these are your matches. Number 3. FITH OS 209 Primer Trip Alarm. Fire, water, shelter, food, medical, all covered. Now let's talk about the thing preppers almost always skip: perimeter security. The FITH OS 209 Primer Trip Alarm is machined from aluminum and steel in the USA. Run 85 feet of Dyneema trip line around your camp. If anything human or animal trips that wire, it fires a 209 shotgun primer with a crack loud enough to wake you instantly and scare off virtually any threat. Reusable, reloadable, comes with 10 primers. This is a serious early warning system. For anyone sleeping in the field, this changes everything. Number 2, Myra Safety EVAC Pack. This is where we stop playing around. The Myra Safety EVAC Pack is a full evacuation kit built around the CM6M full-face gas mask, a CBRN-rated respirator made from bromobutyl rubber, protecting against toxic industrial chemicals and chemical warfare agents. 2 filter options are included: the NBC-77 SOF for all known CBRN threats, and the VK-530 for smoke and carbon monoxide. Myra Ki potassium iodide pills are also in the kit for nuclear events. Everything stores in a drop-leg military pouch with a hydration spout for rapid deployment. This is what separates casual preppers from people who are genuinely seriously ready. Number 1. Nightcore MH40 Pro Flashlight. Here it is, the one. The Nightcore MH40 Pro produces 3,500 lumens with a throw of 1,421 yards, over half a mile of usable beam. That is search and rescue class performance in a handheld flashlight. The USB-C rechargeable power pack runs it for up to 62 hours on a full charge. Includes a pressure switch for weapon or platform mounting via hook and loop. IP68 waterproof, 1 meter impact resistant. Nightcore's patented temperature regulation protects the internals in extreme conditions. When you need to see half a mile in complete darkness, finding a lost person, scanning a hostile perimeter, navigating total blackout, nothing else does what this does. The best flashlight on this list, and one of the best available anywhere, and that's all 26. Fire, water, shelter, food, light, medical, communication, security, and chemical protection, every core survival need covered. Now tell me, which of these do you already own, and which one are you buying first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. New survival and gear content drops every week. Stay prepared. See you in the next one.